Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what you can do if you have a hard time going up the beanstalk. I know like that ladder here, I'll show you the ladder, is annoying to go up to. If I can just, we're almost there. So here, if I jump here, it's just very hard to get by this ladder over there. So usually I just go through that obby and then I just climb up the beanstalk. And if you want to collect rewards, just get it while you're going down. It is a little bit easier, especially if you already have TP. Just like go down, and if you don't see any more rewards, you can just go down. But I see one more. Actually, I can just go back down and get it from the portal once I go down here. There you go. I can see it. So I'm just going to like fall where it is. You can see it is easier to do that. But yeah, that is how you can easily get rewards and not do the obby. Just climb the actual beanstalk itself. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.